Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn the numbers. Let's use these colors: pink color, brown color, blue color, green color, orange color. Let's start the video. Which letter we missed in first? 1, 2, 3. 3 after which letter miss? 4. 4 after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 after which letter miss? 10. 11, 12. 12 after which letter we missed? 13. 14. 14 after which letter we missed? 15. 16. 16 after which letter we missed? 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 22 after which letter missed? 23. 24. 25. 25 after which letter missed? 26. 27. 28. 29 after which number we missed? 29. 30. 31. 31 after which number missed? 32. 33. 34. 34 after which number missed? 35. 36. 36 after which number missed? 37. 38. 39 after which number missed? 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Let's revise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay kids, please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.